models. We sell it unique, especially in classics. 1991 Cadillac Brougham d'Elegance. And this is a nice one. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. A little over 50,000 on it. 5-liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front bumper, grill. Look at the condition. Tell this car was well taken care of. I'm going to get around to the driver's side and show you something here in just a bit too. You can tell it's stored indoors. This is dark maple metallic. Very rich color on this car, and the paint, it definitely shows nice considering age of the vehicle. And if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time, look through this, see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726 as we look up and down the passenger side. And you can, again, see the condition of that paint, the lack of nicks, dings, scratches. Interior, also maple interior, split bent seat, of course, leather. Now, I want to show you the condition of this interior from both sides. So first of all, this is the true color of that interior. It is a maple interior. If I go right on top of it, if you watched our videos before, you know if I come up on certain colors, it's going to wash them out. That right there is not the color of that interior. It is a nice deep maple wine, if you will. Of course, power seats, both sides, door panels, also in nice shape, stock dash and interior, headliner, also intact and in great shape. Meticulously cared for car, and I'll get to that here in just a second. Take a look at the rear seats. Again, of course, the d'Elegance. The padded seat cushions. Doesn't hardly look like anybody's ridden in the rear. Wow. There is that center fold down armrest. I do have folded up. Of course, the vinyl roof, maple in color also, and as nice a shape as the paint. Now, another thing I want to point out, look at these spiller panels. If you've looked at these cars and they've aged and sat outside at all, you know those filler panels do not hold up. This one, both intact, even sporting the original selling dealership insignia on the trunk. Deck lid, filler panel again. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. I think we're going to pretty much find the same thing we found on the passenger side. Again, incredible shape. And here's a lot of the reason why. If you want to see somebody that meticulously takes care of their car, and it shows. Found this in the car. It has everything that was done on this car from the day it was picked up in November of 1990. And what they did is they put a switch in the battery so you could turn on and off the battery for when he wasn't driving. He didn't want the battery to go dead. So obviously it was not a car that he drove maybe every day. It was a special vehicle. There's 2 pages of this, and it's when he put a battery in, it's if he did oil changes, it's if he did power antenna, air filters, wiper blades, you name it. If it was serviced and it was done on this vehicle, it's on that sheet. I'm going to leave that clipboard right there like we found it. That says a lot. You know this car was well taken care of. All right, up front, door panel. Again, power driver seat, windows, locks. condition of the seating area once again. I think you kind of get the idea on this one by now. Tilt and telescopic wheel. Let's go ahead and fire it up. I'll show you the exact miles. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 50,000. There it is, 53,967. AM FM cassette. Electronic climate control. Rest of the dash. No warning indicators, anything like that on. What that is a fastened seatbelt light. I do not have my seatbelt on. No, the dash is not cracked. Nothing to hide on this one, folks. Beautiful. Slip around the back so you can hear it run. Barely. And let me pop this hood. Check out the engine bay. I think I can get this one-handed. Let's check it out. AC compressor kicking on and off. The climate control. Look at this. I don't think this car was driven in any sort of inclement weather. Look how clean that hood liner is. And for the engine bay, I think it's what we're expecting to see. Wow. Don't expect this one to last long once the pictures and the video gets out there. There it is.
Today we have a 1991 Cadillac Brougham. We're gonna go for a drive.
And it's nursing the sore right.
Radio works. Left turn signal indicator on the dash and on the fender work. It's a quiet running car. Right turn signal indicator on the fender and the dash work. Windshield wipers work. We got 60 miles an hour on the digital gauges. It's starting to sprinkle outside. Car goes straight down the road. I'm curving a little to the right, however it's heavy wind, so I think that's what's doing it. Brakes work really well. Brakes straight. Got the automatic temperature control. The blower is working.
Cadillac Brougham, the elegance, dark maple metallic, service records, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, original miles, just a little over 50,000. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call